Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. AUD USD sits near 1-week tops, around mid-0.7200s ahead of Powell's speech. http ntvforex.com news IDEA 362C 5 minutes ago by Haresh Menghani. AUD USD continued gaining traction for the third consecutive session on Thursday. A softer risk tone might keep a lid on any further gains ahead of Powell's speech. The AUD-USD pair shot to over 1-week tops, around the 0.726065 region during the early European session, albeit quickly retreated few pips thereafter. The pair built on this week's goodish bounce from mid-0.7100s as support marked by the lower boundary of a 1-month-old ascending trend channel A and gained traction for the third consecutive session on Thursday. The momentum was exclusively sponsored by the prevalent selling bias surrounding the US dollar. The greenback remained depressed amid expectations for dovish Fed signals. Hence, the key focus will remain on the Fed Chair Jerome Powell's speech at the Jackson Hole Symposium later this Thursday. Powell's remarks will be closely scrutinized for clues about the central bank's policy framework to push up inflation. The Australian dollar was further supported by domestic data, which showed that business spending fell less than expected. In fact, private capital expenditure capex contracted 5.9% during the second quarter as against the forecasted drop of 8.4%. However, a softer risk tone capped any further gains for the AUD-USD pair. The latest escalation between the world's two largest economies, over actions in the disputed South China Sea, took its toll on the global risk sentiment. It is worth recalling that the U.S. imposed visa restrictions on certain Chinese individuals. 24 companies were also added to the entity list for helping to build military islands in the area. It will now be interesting to see if bulls are able to capitalize on the move or opt to lighten their positions ahead of Thursday's key event risk. In the meantime, the release of the prelim US Q2 GDP report might influence the USD price dynamics and provide some trading impetus during the early North American session. Technical levels to watch: AUD-USD overview today, last price 0.725, today daily change 0.0017, today daily change percent 0.24, today daily open 0.7233, NBSP trends daily SMA 20 0.7178, daily SMA 50 0.7059, daily SMA 100 0.682, daily SMA 200 0.6727, NBSP levels: previous daily high 0.7241, previous daily low 0.7186, previous weekly high 0.7277, previous weekly low 0.7134, previous monthly high 0.7228, previous monthly low 0.6876, daily Fibonacci 38.2%, 0.722, daily Fibonacci 61.8%, 0.7207, daily pivot point S1 0.7199, daily pivot point S2 0.7166, daily pivot point S3 0.7145, daily pivot point R1 0.7254, daily pivot point R2 0.7275, daily pivot point R3 0.7308, NBSP. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.